Good afternoon, everyone. Drew Hartzog with Hartzog Fence with the fence tip for the day. Today we're installing a 6-foot good neighbor fence, and I'm just going to give you a little tip on how to bevel the top of the post at a 45-degree angle. I'm not sure if most of y'all know the different style fences, but on this good neighbor fence we're going to just use the beveled 45 on the top of the post. Now how I do it is I draw 3/4 of an inch down all the way around and cut it at a 45-degree angle. Simple as that. And when you're done, that right there is what your post will look like. But remember, 3/4 of an inch down, draw it all the way around, and that will leave you with a perfect bevel cut all the way around. If y'all like this video, give it a like, and I'll talk to y'all soon.